Well, an issue of supply and demand is leaving many parents and their sick kids out in the cold when it comes to medicine.
The earliest spike of flu cases in recent memory, along with other viruses surging right now like RSV, is sparking drug shortages all around the country and, of course, right here at home. Josh Hargard has been following this story for us. He joins us now with more. Josh.
Yeah, guys, earlier today I spoke with a local doctor and pharmacist, and they're both feeling the pain of these shortages. And with the early onset of this year's flu season, this isn't anything to sneeze at. If you've taken a trip to the pharmacy in recent weeks, there's a good chance you left empty-handed thanks to nationwide shortages. The FDA's website shows a shortage in over 120 medications currently, and pharmacies in Wichita Falls are starting to feel it.
There's been a lot of things and a lot of different categories have been shorted, and it's quite an impact on our patients.
Chuck Weaver is a pharmacist at Trott's Drug, and he said they're dealing with shortages on a daily basis.
It's very concerning. As the supply goes down, it's been difficult getting them in, so we're not getting in as many units as we need.
Pharmacists aren't the only ones with worry. Local doctors are starting to feel the impact of these shortages too.
Well, the cause of concern from my perspective is kind of the end of the chain for using many of these medicines on my patients is some of these things that are very common I just can't get. They're not complicated medicines. They're just unavailable at this time.
Even the most basic medicines are on back order.
It's very concerning that plain old amoxicillin, that seems to be in short supply now. I have written it a couple times in the last few weeks and not had any trouble that I am aware of getting it filled. But that's alarming because that's a very basic good medicine.
But despite these supply concerns, local pharmacies are doing all they can to get Wichita Falls residents the medication they need.
Sometimes we'll transfer it to another pharmacy, and sometimes we can borrow back and forth from other pharmacies.
Dr. Williamson says one way you can avoid being stuck without your medication is to check other pharmacies.
As patients, be aware that you're not obligated to go to a particular pharmacy. If one pharmacy doesn't have it, feel free to shop around.
Also, make sure to give your pharmacy as much of a heads up as possible if you need a refill.
Our technicians do a great job of checking what their supply is during the day. And so the more leeway we have until somebody needs it, the better.
But beyond that, unfortunately, we'll have to just wait and see because these shortages aren't going away anytime soon.
There's some things that will get better, and doctors will take care of you no matter what the tools we have to use are. But it is a hard time in particular right now.
Now, both Weaver and Dr. Williams had said a number of issues are contributing to these shortages. They agreed they've never seen anything quite like this before. And if you want to hear more of our conversation that we had today, or if you want to see a full list of drugs currently in a shortage that's updated regularly, you can do that over on our website, Texomashomepage.com.
Wow, really impacting everyone.
It really
sure.
is.
Yeah.
I've
Okay.
never seen anything like it either.
No.
Wow.
Josh, thank you so much.
Stay with us. Don't go away.